While in Australia, I learned all about the traditional medicinal practices as well as the herbal medicine used by Aboriginal tribes. It was very interesting to learn about this and compare it with common medicinal practices in the United States. The focuses of this study include the sandpaper fig, the strangler fig, natural healing through the use of a didgeridoo, as well as the quandong seed, the red ash soap tree, and the melaleuca tree. We will begin by hearing about the sandpaper fig from a native.
But really, you're supposed to drain all that toxins and that out of it.
No, but we don't need it green. You let it dry.
But what they're finding, with today's technology and everything, they can break that fruit down to the DNA and everything and get a lot of information. And what they're finding is that a lot of our food are actually superfoods. They're umpteen times more potent with vitamin C than oranges.
The sandpaper fig is a small bushy tree that contains hairy spherical fruits. The portion of the plant that is used for medicine is the leaf. The fruit is not used for medicinal purposes but can be used as a source of fruit or drink. Up next is the strangler fig. The incredible thing about this plant is it is made to be a laxative. Many people in the U.S. wonder why when they eat a fig Newton, they get a stomachache. Well, the answer lies among the Aborigines. In order to ensure that this tree remains in the canopies of the rainforest, it is imperative that birds do not eat it and run off too far. This explains why it can be used as a laxative for many of the Aboriginal tribes.
This is called a strangler fig. They want a bird to eat something, to eat some more of it, to eat some more of it, feel a little tummy ache, and move 100 meters away and deposit it. And then we have a new tree in the rainforest canopy in a new spot. Laxatives in fruit are very, very important to make sure that fruit isn't dispersed too far in the natural environment.
Just as many people in the U.S. use holistic medicine, so do the Aborigines. In my opinion, Aboriginal medicine more closely resembles osteopathic medicine or chiropractic medicine. This is because they use more natural remedies, focus on your body as a whole, and use manipulative medicine for healing. An example of this is the use of a didgeridoo in Aboriginal medicine.
It actually is a part of your body that allows you to connect with things. It's not just your heart. This is the heart chakra. The internet will go boom, and it opens that part up. And you actually feel that connection. You can feel that connection right there, even with whether it be animals, whether it be with other humans. You become receptive to it. It's like a drug. It's better than a drug.
Let's take a look at 3 more plants used in Aboriginal medicine.
It actually does chemically work. I've tried them. They do work. They're also very good for you in a sense of vitamin C.
Ash or the soap tree. I could just get pour a bit on that. This is a good antiseptic. Good for mozzie bites, acne even, relieving headaches, sinuses. But yes,
This leaf is a prime example of how medicinal uses differ between the Aboriginal tribes and common United States medicinal practices. For example, this leaf was used to reduce headaches and sore eyes, which would commonly be treated by Tylenol or ibuprofen in the United States. This leaf was also used to treat insect bites and stings, which would be treated by hydrocortisone cream or Benadryl. This leaf was also used to relieve muscle and toothaches, which would be treated by icy hot or pain medicines in the United States. Finally, this leaf was used to relieve gastric upset, which could be treated through Pepto-Bismol or Imodium in the United States. As you can see, the use of this leaf can cover a wide variety of illnesses. One major benefit to using this leaf as opposed to our medicine is that far less side effects are experienced. However, the strength of the leaf's effect may be less than that of a prescription medicine used in the U.S. This is a melaleuca tree, also known as a tea tree or a paperbark tree. Something cool about this tree is that the melaleuca tree is native to Queensland in Australia. Oftentimes, tea tree oil is used now in the United States for things such as hand sanitizer, insect repellent, acne fighter, cleaner, mouthwash, dandruff control and shampoo, and to relieve psoriasis. It is also inhaled to treat coughs, colds, and applied directly to the skin. These are different ways that you can use tea tree oil. However, the melaleuca tree can also be used for its paper bark. The paper bark can be used as a bandage, which is often placed over the wound after the soap tree leaves were used to clean the wound. As you can see, the plants in Australia have been used for a variety of different treatments. Interestingly, these Aboriginal practices have been a part of the development of American medicine. While there are pros and cons and variations in Aboriginal medicine and American medicine, it is apparent that the opportunities for growth in this medicine is still vast. For example, one of the natives told me that the gumby tree has been used by the tribe for years to treat things such as colds, flus, and arthritis, and even cancer. Nowadays, this gumby tree has been promoted in the form of a capsule as a treatment for cancer. It is so amazing that something that was used so long ago is now being a part of new medicine in today's culture. By studying Aboriginal medicine, the origins and developments of our culture's medicine has revealed itself to me, while teaching me that there is so much more to the different species inside of the rainforest.